This is the reality of van life, guys. I'm basically a bum living in a van.
This is absolutely sick, man. I gotta be very careful. It's like a roller coaster here, dude. This is sick, man. Dude, I gotta move to Boone, North Carolina, man.
Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today.
By the way, I got a chance to visit the Walton's house. That's the original Walton's house, and that's John Boy's Model T pickup truck. This is the real house, but it's privately owned. The museum is actually up the street. Mr. Gotzi's General Store, which burnt down, is down the street. I'm gonna go check that out. Check this out, Mr. Gotzi's General Store. Check that out. Wow, this town is absolutely awesome. Check this out. Oh, that's a beautiful church. Look at those windows. I assume this is the church that he was raised in. I don't know. Earl Hamner Jr., the real original John Boy. So I got to figure out the next destination to go to in the bug out moto van. Maybe to Boone, North Carolina. So I went to Boone, North Carolina, arrived there at night, and Cracker Barrel let me stay in their parking lot overnight. Kudos to Cracker Barrel. This is the reality of van life, guys. I'm basically a bum living in a van. There's no space for nothing. I have to move stuff around. It's a chore to do anything, to cook, to wash, to go to the bathroom, everything, dude. This is not an easy life, but you know what? It breaks me out of my comfort zone. Look at this beautiful town here, Boone, North Carolina. Beautiful mountain town. You know, I love the small town vibe here, but it's not as small town as I was expecting. Very congested, man. Wow, it's got a cool little movie theater there. I like that. I thought this would be kind of like my hometown of Berea, Ohio, but it is in kind of a way. Like these old school buildings here, a lot of little mom and pop stores. Nice. I like this, but it very congested. Everybody and their mama, it seems to be out here. I don't know. It's not as small towny as I would have hoped. Well, I guess at population size of 20,000. So I thought it would be a lot more than that, because this place is just loaded with cars. Everybody and their mama, like I said, is out here. But I'm digging the vibe out here. I like the diversity out here. I like the mountain vista. Kind of reminds me of Aspen, with the town, like the mountain right there in town, where it's right there. You can see the vista. That is beautiful. So I'm really digging that about Boone, North Carolina. Cool little town. Yeah, I'm liking it. It's got kind of an artsy vibe to it. I think it's probably even better than Asheville. You know, you got to be careful on when you visit a place and talk about how great it is, because, you know, nowadays with everybody watching a lot of the YouTube videos and social media, and then it brings them out here, and then you got everybody and their mama out here, and then the town goes to shit. That's what happened to Colorado Springs when I lived out there in 2001 to 2006. Owned a home out there with a nice mountain view, and I loved it out there back then. Then I went to visit it in 2016, the last time I was out there, and everybody and their mama moved out there. The traffic was horrible. A lot more crime. It's a shame, because Colorado Springs was a beautiful town. Went to crap. Very different. I like the architectural of style of the like apartments, the houses, and I just love the mountains, period, man. I like it, but I wouldn't move out here. There's too many people. So I'm gonna look for some land maybe on the outskirts of town, where it's more laid back. Check it out here in Boone, North Carolina, up in the mountains here. And man, we got some twisty road action here. I'm headed to a campground that's supposed to be really nice, but look at this twisty action here, dude. Oh my gosh, beautiful back here. So I hope this campground is nice.
Look at this twisty action here, dude. I missed out on the twisty action in Virginia, man, because I'm coming here to look at some land here in Boone, and I didn't have time to pull out my bike and ride those amazing roads out there in Virginia. But look at this. This is sick, man. Look at these. Look at this. It's like snake twisties here, dude. Oh my gosh. You know, me coming from Cleveland, Ohio, you know I'm not used to this, dude. We ain't got no twisty action like this in Cleveland, man. Look at this, dude. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I wish I was like at least in a sports car. This great big old van going through these tight twisties here is kind of tough. But this is absolutely sick, man. I gotta be very careful. It's like a roller coaster here, dude. This is sick, man. I gotta be careful, bro. Oh my gosh. Dude, I gotta move to Boone, North Carolina, man. Oh my God, you could probably get the fools would get some knee slide action here, man. Dude, this is like a little tail of the dragon or something here, man. This is sick, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is, dude, I gotta ride this. I gotta ride this. Check this out, dude. This backwoods Appalachian church here in North Carolina mountains, man. This is sick, bro. I love stuff like this, man. Check it out, dude. It's got the river down there. Oh, it's freaking beautiful, man. I'm in heaven, bro. Dude, I gotta buy some land out here ASAP. I'm coming out here, dude. I'm coming out here, Boone, North Carolina, baby. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is sick, dude. Oh my gosh. Twisty action all day, dude. 55 miles an hour. Dude, you're doing 55 on this tight, twisty road here, dude. You're doing knee slide action up in here, man. This is sick, bro. Oh my God, I gotta hurry up and get to the campground, but I don't wanna be riding on this road at night. Hey, here's the campground. Check it out. Okay, here we are, guys, at the campground, and this is absolutely beautiful. My campsite is right next to the river here, man. In the mountains. This is sick, bro. And I only pay $22.50 a night, man, with the Passport America, and I'm right here on the river, dude. Do some fishing, man. This is sick, bro, right here in North Carolina. And they have some land for sale in the area. I'm gonna go look at some land for sale. This is absolutely perfect. This is beautiful. Look at this, guys. Look. Oh my gosh. This is literally only about 30 minutes from the main city of Boone. Look how clear that water is. It's beautiful. And this campground has all kinds of trails and everything. I would be sleeping like a baby tonight. This is the view from my van, bro. Right next to the river, man. That's sick, bro. Check this out. And by the way, this is awesome here, guys. This rock slide thing here, and this is my stealth propane tank, 10-pound propane tank, and this came in absolutely handy the other night. It was freezing. Brought this in, put my little heater buddy in there, toasty all night long. Didn't have to worry about running out of propane like those stupid 1-pound propane tanks. Here's some more beautiful horses. Like, man, what you doing here? Look at these beautiful horses. Nice. This area is beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Oh boy, got cold. Got to 44 degrees. So I just put the heat on, boy. Thank God for that heat, boy. That cold air wake you up, boy.
I'm going back to bed, boy.
And make sure to hit thumbs up if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that little bell symbol so you get notified when my new videos release. But I release new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Deuces.